Okay, I want to tell you about the second the best day in my life. Well, I was about, say, 17, and I was just bored out of my mind, and I decided I'd go for a walk. So I went down over the hill, and then I went to the right down there at the bottom of the hill, and it took us into this field I used to walk through. And across the creek and up into the field. Well, I was walking and I heard something. So I scooted off to the right, and I fell straight down in a hole. And then when I got down in a hole, there was dead bodies down there with knives in their backs and stuff, and then I had a lighter in my pocket, and I lit the lighter, and there was a treasure box. I opened that treasure box, and it was full of gold. Now I'm gonna make plans to get this stuff out of here, so I could go cash it in and get some money. And that was the second best day of my life.